Hey guys! So today I went shopping at my local grocery store, Fry's, where you can buy produce, meat, bread, diabetes, clogged arteries, more diabetes, cancer, more cancer, and stress reliever. But right next to the stress reliever, I saw they were actually selling phones. They knew you were gonna need the stress reliever. Yep, my grocery store actually sells phones and smartphones too.
This one is just cardboard.
And they were all on sale. So I picked up all the smartphones that were under $10 and all the basic phones that were under $5. I originally wanted to buy this basic phone so I can make a bezel joke, but it was sold out. You think you have it bad with your iPhone bezels? Well, think about what old people and poor people have to go through. But that was not the phone that I really wanted to buy. The phone I really wanted to buy was the Samsung Galaxy Stardust.
This one we're actually out of.
We already have like 8 people back there with names on the list waiting for a phone.
Yeah.
But it was sold out, so I had to settle with these phones.
Hi, I know this might sound weird, but if it's possible if you have all of these in stock, I would like all of them, please.
On this episode, we'll be smashing the flip phone first. And then we'll work our way up in terms of quality. Now, let's start the first episode of Grocery Store Phones. What a beautiful day! Let's do an unboxing! Let's boot her up. Obnoxious scrolling noises. And let's try the photos first. Ooh, there's a little indicator for when the camera is on. Let's set that as the wallpaper. Yeah! Now, let's try the video recorder. And we're gonna start recording on that. Okay, from a flip phone perspective, you can tell it's not that good.
Ooh, the FPS is just like 10.
Let's give this thing a small drop test first. One with it open and one with it closed. Closed! Backside. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Closed. Side test. 3, 2, 1. Still perfect. Closed. Face down test. 3, 2, 1. Some scratches, but it's still alright. Now, the open drop tests. Backside first. 3, 2, 1. Like it never had been dropped. Open. Side drop test. 3, 2, 1. Everything still works. Final drop test. Face down. Open. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Actually, I lied. That was not the last drop test. Let's try one more drop test. The ludicrous drop test. 3, 2, 1. A lot of scuffs here and there on the front. The camera isn't cracked, just scuffed too. But will it turn on? Uh-oh. The screen is shattered. I'm gonna call that a fail. Still boots though. Hey man, is that your new phone? It sure is. Wait, is that a flip phone? Yeah, but why should that matter to you? Ew, gross, give me that. Okay, have it. Yeah, that's what you get. What do you think this is, 2004? Even though it's in half, it still appears to be working fine.
6, 9, 6, 9.
Okay, enough of the boring stuff. Let's get on to breaking this. Bye.